what right now we are going to do is the indirect approach of problems related to set theory. That is, when the problems are given, when there are more than two sets, then we try to use an indirect approach. Indirect approach is the application of the Venn diagram for solving a word problem related to sets. I'll clear this with an example. Best part, there is no formula for this. Look, exercise 1.11. Question number 1. Question number 2. Not 1, question number 2. In a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H, 26 read newspaper T, and 26 read newspaper I. 9 read H and I, 11 read H and T, 8 read both T and I, and 3 read all the 3 newspapers. Find the number of people who read at least one of the newspapers and the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. We need to find out the number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. That means either they are reading one newspaper or 2 newspapers or 3. We are not bothered, but they should be in the category of reading the newspaper. So if we do it by using a Venn diagram, look carefully, there are 3 sets to be represented by H, T, and I. There are people who read newspaper H, who read newspaper T, and who read newspaper I. The basic idea behind using this approach is that whatever are the enclosed regions, those enclosed regions we mark with specific variables. जैसे ये वाला enclosed region है, this will be A. ये वाला enclosed region है, this will be B. This will be C, and this will be D. So that means H is represented by the sum of these 4 variables. That is, H will be represented by A plus B plus C plus D. इससे बेनिफिट क्या हुआ हमारे पास? अगर हमें खाली H इंटरसेक्शन T रिप्रेजेंट कराना है तो कौन से 2 वेरिएबल्स रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? B and C. अगर हमें H इंटरसेक्शन I रिप्रेजेंट कराना है तो C and D. अगर हमें वो रिप्रेजेंट कराना है which is representing only H newspaper, only H, no other newspaper, only A. Similarly, this one, C we have already taken, E, F, G. There may be some people who are not reading any of the newspapers, तो वो outside these 3 circles आएंगे, उसको हमने H से represent कर. Clear this thing? Is the indirect approach clear? आगे बहुत simple है, बहुत easy है. It is only sum and difference, plus minus करना है बस. ये approach समझ आए? जितने भी enclosed regions हैं, they are to be marked with specific variables. Now see, in a survey of 60 people, can we say that A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H is equal to 60? 25 read newspaper H. Newspaper H. This will be A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 25. A plus B plus C plus D equal to 25. Second equation. Then 26 read newspaper T. So this will be, now you people speak, B plus E plus F plus C is equal to 26. Then after that, 26 read newspaper I. So this will be D plus C plus F plus G is equal to 26. Then after that, 9 read H and I. H and I, common between H and I is C plus D is equal to 9. 11 read H and T. H and T, so B plus C is equal to 11. Then after that, 8 read T and I. T and I, so C plus F is equal to 8. And the last one, 3 read all the 3 newspapers. All 3 newspapers, C equal to 3. Right? Any problem in this? ये तो मतलब that is जिसको सेट के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता हो उसको भी क्लियर हो जाएगा. Only these regions have been marked with these variables, and now we need to just solve these equations. बोलो. If we write C over here, F will be equal to 5. If we write C over here, B will be equal to 8. If we write C over here, D will be equal to 6. Then let's see what are the values that we've got from this. In place of D, 6. In place of C, 3. In place of F, 5 plus G equal to 26. So G is equal to 9 plus 5, 14. So this will be 12. Here, let's see what are the values that we can put up. B is 8. E is, we do not have. F is 5 and C is 3 equal to 26. So this will be 13 plus 3, 16. So E is equal to 10. यहाँ पर put up कर लेते हैं. In place of A, we do not have. B is 8, C is 3, and D is 6 is equal to 25. So 11 plus 6, 17. So A equal to 8. यहाँ पर सारी values put up कर देते हैं. In place of A, 8. In place of B, 8. In place of C, 3. In place of D, 6. In place of E, E was there, 10. In place of F, 5. In place of G, 12. Plus H is equal to 60. This will be 16, 19, 25, 40, 52. So H is equal to 8. We got all the variables. Now, once we got the values of all these variables, it will be very easy for us to answer all the questions. In the first part, they are asking number of people who read at least one newspaper. जो न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने वालों की कैटेगरी में आते हैं, that means who are within the circles. The number of people who are within the circle is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G. That means H को छोड़कर, H हमने already 8 find किया, तो इनका सम, इन सब का सम क्या होना चाहिए? 52. Second part, number of people क्या mention है, क्या पूछा गया है? Who read exactly one. That means जो who are not reading less than one or more than one, but exactly one newspaper. That means only H or only T or only I. Can we say that A plus E plus G? Getting the thing? Only A, only E, or only G? So A is 8, E is, and G is 12. So this will be, so there are 30 people who read exactly one newspaper. अब एक बार आप देख लो इसको अच्छे से. Whatever your doubt is, please ask. Helpful. So we need to read the question carefully before we make up our mind that whether we need to use a direct approach, the direct formula, or the indirect approach. There's one simple thing to remember. If the values, if the values given in the question are simple, are direct, which can be directly applied in the formula, go for the direct approach. But if the values are not given directly, there is some twist and turn in the values. The previous वाले question में था, तो indirect approach beneficial है. मैं एक example देता हूँ आपको direct approach का. Look, question number 4. Fourth question. In a survey of 200 students of a school, it was found that 120 students study maths. 120 students study maths. 90 students study physics, and 70 students study chemistry. 40 study maths and physics, M intersection P, 40. 30 study physics and chemistry, 30. And 50 study chemistry and maths, 50. And 20 study none of the subjects. None of subjects is 20. And total was given out to be, that's why now we can write it as N universal set is 200. I was apprehensive in noting down this data earlier because it was not clear that whether there are students who were not studying any of the subjects. Generally ऐसा नहीं होता, but होते हैं ऐसे भी लोग who study none of the subjects. तो इसलिए, but यहाँ पर mention था, तो ये हमने mention कर दिया, right? अब आप देखो तो डेटा यहाँ पर डायरेक्टली स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है. हमें फाइंड क्या करना है क्वेश्चन में, ये और देख लेते हैं जल्दी से. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु स्टडी ऑल द 3 सब्जेक्ट्स. That means we need to find out P intersection M intersection C. अब अगर आप देखो तो यहाँ पर डेटा स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है, फॉर्मूले में हम डायरेक्टली पुट अप कर आंसर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो इफ द डेटा गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन इज एज पर द फॉर्मूला, एज पर द डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला, गो फॉर द डायरेक्ट अप्रोच. यूनिवर्सल सेट गिवन है, नन हमें गिवन है. वी कैन फाइंड आउट एन ए यूनियन बी यूनियन सी, सॉरी एन एम यूनियन पी यूनियन सी will be equal to 200 minus 20 equal to 180. Got this? What's the formula for NM union P union C? NM plus NP plus NC minus NM intersection P minus NP intersection C minus NM intersection C plus NM intersection P intersection C. Now these values 180. Now you can do it easily. Just put up all the values. You'll straight away get the value of N M intersection P intersection C. That is the number of students who study all the three subjects. Sixth question. In a group of 50 students, the number of students studying French, English, and Sanskrit are found to be as follows. French given है, English given है, Sanskrit given है. French in English, English and Sanskrit, French in Sanskrit, English, French and Sanskrit. अगर आप इस वे से देखो तो हमारे पास जो डेटा गिवन है वो सारी डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूले वाली गिवन है. बट अगर आप सारे पार्ट्स पर फोकस करो तो वहां पर हमें अलग अलग वैल्यूज दिखानी पड़ेगी. So it will be easy if we do this question by indirect. Very good. I'm so proud of you. So by using indirect approach. Now look. Sure, be attentive. English, French, and Sanskrit. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and outside H. Right? In a group of 50 students, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H is equal to 50. French 17. So this will be B plus C plus D plus G is equal to 70. English 13. So A plus B plus G plus F is equal to 13. Then is equal to 15, sorry, that was correct. French 17, English 13, Sanskrit 15. So F plus G plus D plus E is equal to 50. Then French and English, what will be the data? Common for French and English, B plus G. So B plus G is equal to 9. English and Sanskrit, F plus G is equal to 4. French and Sanskrit, B plus G is equal to 5. English, French and Sanskrit, so G is equal to 3. Especially जब हमें that is something which is common to all the three. अगर वो given है तो indirect approach हमेशा beneficial होगा. Which one? अच्छा ये गड़बड़ है. This should be D plus G. नहीं French and Sanskrit वाला ना. French and Sanskrit is 5. So this is D plus. Now look carefully. If we write G as 3 over here, D will be equal to 2. F will be equal to 1. B will be equal to 6. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus E is equal to 15. So E is equal to 9. यहाँ पर वैल्यू पुट अप करेंगे तो A we do not have, B is 6, G is 3 and F is 1 equal to 13. So A equal to 3. यहाँ पर वैल्यू पर पुट अप करते हैं तो B is 6, C is we do not have, D 2, G 3 equal to 17. So C equal to C equal to 6. यहां पर वैल्यू पुट अप करते हैं. In place of A, 3, B, here is B, 6, C, C is 6, D, 2, E, 9, F, 1, G, 3, plus H is equal to 50. 12, 15, 17, 26, and plus 4, 30. So H is equal to 20. Now listen to this carefully. First part, French only. French only. Look carefully. I'm going to, that is, discuss all these 8 parts orally. So please be attentive. First part, French only. Only French is C. Then second part, French and Sanskrit, but not English. They should study French and Sanskrit, but not English. So only D. French and Sanskrit. So ये दोनों common आएंगे, but not English. So we'll have to remove G. So it will be only D. Getting this thing, especially this part, Arav. Then third part, English only. That's very simple. A. Fourth part, French and English, but not Sanskrit. French and English, but not Sanskrit. Only B. Sanskrit only, that is E. At least one of the 3 languages. This complete. No, not G. Whole. A plus B plus C plus D, at least. Then seventh part, English and Sanskrit, but not French. English and Sanskrit, but not French. F. Then none of the 3 languages. H. Answer all the questions now. Do it now.